Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you a mini little haul that I got from Premier Yarns. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me here today. Hey, if you are a fan of yarn and crochet and all the things that have to do with that, and you haven't yet, then go down below and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Alright, so I made a little purchase from Premier Yarns, and I wanted to share with you what I got. I saw where my friend Julie used some of this yarn, and I went and looked at it and I fell in love with the colors, so I really wanted to check them out, and then I saw where they went on discount for 35% off relatively recently. You know what that means. I had to pick up some. So I got 2 of each colorway that I did get, and so let me go ahead and stop teasing you and let you know what I got. Ooh. It is Hipster Cotton. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this cotton. 229 yards, 210 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, and it is a 100% cotton. Okay, so a little bit more about the yarn here. It is a 3-weight yarn. You can machine wash it in warm and tumble dry, which is cotton, of course you can. They do suggest a 4mm knitting needle and a 5mm hook. So I have always been very, very partial to I Love This Yarn by Hobby Lobby. And I'm always on the lookout for comparable yarn as far as softness goes. And I'd say that the Walmart Mainstays is very close, but their colors aren't nearly as vibrant. They have more of the muted colors, and it's just a few of them. So they don't have very many options in the Mainstays colorway of their cotton, 100% cotton yarn. But it's very soft, and it feels a lot like the I Love This cotton yarn. But the vibrant colors on this made me think, you know what, I need to try that. Even if it feels like a kitchen cotton, I need to go check these out because these colors are amazing. I will tell you, it is not as soft as I Love This yarn. It really isn't. But it's not as, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel quite as rough and tumble as, say, like Lily Sugar and Cream, you know, the regular kitchen or Burnout Handy Maker, or that kind of cotton yarn. But it also is only a 3-weight, so that tends to drape a little bit better, feel a little bit better in the long run. I've seen that with acrylic as well. But it still feels nice. It still feels nice. It's just not as soft as the I Love This cotton. And I still think it's totally worth it. So let me show you the different colorways up close and personal and let you know what they're called. So this first colorway I'm going to show you is called Rollerskates. Look at those neon colors. How gorgeous is that? Those beautiful neon colors. So pretty. Okay, and this next colorway is called Aesthetic. Now, when I saw this particular colorway, it kind of made me think of Halloween, just because of the colors that are in this colorway. So this one is called Aesthetic. I love the, see, do you see what I mean? Like the yellow and the orange and the purple. There's no green or black in there, but it still made me think of Halloween. So pretty. Okay, and then this next colorway is called Summer Splash, which, yes, this makes you think of, maybe not, there's not quite as much blue in it, but it does make you think of just summertime with how, or, you know, I think if it was more pinks and yellows and stuff in there, it'd be springtime, but this makes you think of summertime. Spending time on the ocean. And that's so pretty. Now, as I roll this around and you're kind of looking at these, and you may have seen them on the other labels, it's showing the MSRP as $7.99 for this cotton here. And honestly, I would never spend that much on a skein. I would only get these on sale. Now, it is a good amount because it is a 3 weight. So you are getting a good yardage for this. You're getting almost 230 yards, so just under 230 yards, so it's a good amount. So so with like 5 of these, you could make a baby blanket. You have a good amount for a baby blanket. But again, I would make sure that they're $5 or less before you bought these. That's just me personally and how much I've seen cotton cost. So you can wait until they're about $5 or less, and then they'll be totally worth it. All right, so this final colorway that I got is a beautiful fall colorway. I really love this. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous fall colorway, and I'm thinking about doing a bag of some sort with this particular colorway. This is called Canyon Walls. Now, can you see kind of those purples, the deep purples and the orange and the gray in this colorway? I don't know if that's purple or more like a mauve, like a brick red on this colorway. And I think this would make a beautiful fall like market bag. You know, when you're going to all of these festivals, I think this would make a great bag. You see, that's so pretty. And now, granted, it's not the bright colors of the other ones, but I do like earth tones as well. I'm a big fan of earth tones as well. So that is the 4 colorways that I got. I got 2 of each colorway. So that gives me just under 500, just shy of 500 yards of each color. And I do really like this. I would probably never spend $8 a skein on this. I feel like that's a little bit too much, but every website has a sale at some point, or even if you're getting these from the big box shops like Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby, then those have great sales quite a bit as well. So just to keep that in mind, these are beautiful colorways. I think that they are super duper vibrant, except for maybe the fall colors, but even that's vibrant in and of itself, just in a different way, you know? Yeah, so I really like these. I can't wait to make a project with them. It's gonna be a hot minute because I am still working on some projects that I've been working on for months, and I can't start a new project right now. But I did want to get some of these while they were on a discount. If you love this kind of content with yarn and crochet and stuff like that, then please go ahead and go down below, hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, why don't you leave me a comment and let me know what you would make with this kind of yarn, with a 3-weight 100% cotton yarn. And you know what, I'm telling you, on the feeling of this, it almost feels, but it feels a little bit, it's not, I don't think it is, well, it would tell you if it was, but it feels a little bit almost like the mercurized, and I am so butchering that word, I know I am, but that kind of cotton. But anyway, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Well, not just what you think, but let me know what kind of project you would make with this. Thank you so much for joining me today, and you have an amazing day. Bye bye. Stella, no, right now, baby. Really, Stella? No, don't mark the camera, Stella. Stop marking the camera. I have a cat marking my camera right now. I'm just letting you know, if it moves, that's what's going on, okay? But anyway, Stella's marking the camera. It is now her camera. I am recording this on Stella's camera. But